Bob's Great Adventure Beyond the Stars, an interstellar journey of discovery and friendship. In the endless expanse of the universe, where stars shimmer like a sea of diamonds, Bob, the intrepid explorer, embarked on a journey that would take him beyond the familiar confines of his home planet. His mission was clear: to explore nearby solar systems and uncover the mysteries of other life forms. Bob's spacecraft, the Starfire, glided smoothly through the cosmic void. Its sleek design and advanced technology made it the perfect vessel for interstellar travel. On board, Bob was joined by the Elara, a species of intelligent aquatic beings with iridescent scales and soulful eyes. Together, they embarked on this epic quest. Their first destination was a solar system known as Aurealis, famed for its extraordinary celestial phenomena. The vibrant colors of nebula and the shimmering rings of the planets left the crew in awe as they approached this mesmerizing region of space. The Starfire's sensors detected signs of life on a planet called Luminae, known for its bioluminescent flora and fauna. The crew was greeted by a glowing forest where trees, flowers, and even the ground emitted a soft, ethereal light. This wondrous world filled Bob with awe and curiosity. The crew encountered the luminary, an ethereal and luminescent species of beings who communicated through light patterns and melodic sounds. These mesmerized displays of color and harmony captured Bob's heart as he marveled at their connection to the planet. The luminary shared stories of an ancient legend about explorers who would help unlock the secrets of the heart of Luminae, a powerful artifact believed to hold the key to understanding light and energy in the universe. Bob and his team agreed to help the luminary find the heart of Luminae. Their journey took them through glowing caves, across radiant rivers, and to the peak of luminous mountains, each challenge testing their courage and ingenuity. After facing numerous trials, the crew reached a hidden chamber housing the heart of Luminae. This crystal of pure light pulsated with energy, resonating with their presence and revealing ancient symbols and secrets. Unlocking the heart of Luminae provided profound insights into light and energy, strengthening their bond with the luminary. These discoveries helped the potential to benefit civilizations across the cosmos. With their mission on Luminae completed, Bob and his crew ventured to new solar systems, from Pyro's fiery plains to Galatia's icy landscapes. They encountered diverse species and phenomena, broadening their cosmic understanding. Bob's adventures inspired countless others to explore the stars with curiosity and hope. His story became a testament to the power of friendship, cooperation, and the boundless potential of interstellar discovery. Bob's great adventure beyond the stars continues, filled with thrilling encounters and awe-inspiring discoveries. Stay tuned for more tales from the cosmos as the journey to the distant galaxies unfolds.